Hi guys, ever tried to connect to your VPN and got stuck staring at an error message? You're not alone. And the good news is, you don't need to be a tech genius to fix VPN not connecting issues. Today, I'll walk you through what causes VPN connection issues and how to solve them. Grab your device and let's troubleshoot together. In the first part, we will explain why your VPN won't connect. The first reason is internet connection issues. If your Wi-Fi or mobile data is unstable, your VPN can't connect. Always test your internet before blaming the VPN. For testing speed, you can go to YouTube or another website to check if a video is playing normally. The second reason is VPN Server Issue. Too many users on one server? It might crash. Always check if your VPN servers are down. Next, VPN App Error could cause the connection issue. Old VPN apps often glitch. A simple update usually fixes connection drops. Last but not least, Firewall or Antivirus blocking VPN. Some security apps mistake VPNs for threats. Whitelist your VPN to avoid this. So in the second part, we will show you 5 efficient ways to fix VPN not connecting issues. First, test your network speed. Check if your internet even works. If speed is slow, restart your router, turn airplane mode on and off, and switch networks between Wi-Fi and cellular data. Second, check VPN server status. Servers get overloaded. Try switching locations. Pick a less crowded country. Third, delete VPN Profile. Corrupted profiles cause failures. Delete your VPN configuration and set it up fresh. On iPhone, head to Settings and choose General. Find the VPN and Device Management option. You can check all VPN profiles here, choose and delete. Then, reconnect your VPN. On an Android phone, search for VPN in Settings. Tap on the VPN name and you can remove it. Update VPN software. Outdated apps mean that it could have bugs. Always keep your VPN updated. Reboot your device is the last tip. Rebooting a device offers several advantages, including improved performance, better battery life, enhanced security, and troubleshooting of minor issues. If these tips do not work for you, try UFO VPN. UFO VPN is one of the best free VPNs with high speed and a more significant global server coverage. UFO VPN sticks to military-level encryption and a stringent no-logs policy that guarantees your information is private and secure. With UFO VPN, you can bypass geo-restrictions with various servers like the United States, Canada, Japan, etc. Click the link in the description to download UFO VPN on your devices. Then open and launch it. Click and choose the server you want. Finally, connect it and done. That's all about this video. Hope this video helps you solve the issue. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.